Hey everyone, it's Leffers with the Leffers and Rook Real Estate Group, and today we are excited to showcase this 2-bed, 2-bath condo unit at Nature's Gate here in Abbotsford. Guys, you got lovely updates in here, a great layout, large deck, and it backs onto Ravine Park Loop, and this one has 2 parking stalls. Let's go check it out. What sets this complex apart is that you back onto green space. You can sit on your deck and enjoy the morning sun. And if you want to go for a walk, there's the Ravine Lake Loop. You've seen everything that this gorgeous unit has to offer. If you want to set up a showing, you can reach out to your realtor, look us up on Instagram, or give us a call at 604-307-2122. Have a good day.